Hello, my name is Luther Ragsdale, broker, CEO of Platinum Real Estate, and founder of Luther Ragsdale's Real Estate Institute. And I want to personally invite you to my upcoming listing workshop. Yes, you do not want to miss this upcoming workshop. Real estate agents, you will receive 6 hours worth of CE credits. This listing workshop is approved by the Georgia Real Estate Commission. Who should attend? Real estate agents, real estate broker, teams, even real estate investors. Because at this workshop, I'm going to show you how to get more properties, how to list more properties. Real estate investors, you want to be at this as well, because I'm going to show you how to get off-market property, how to find off-market properties. Real estate agents, once you find that property, you can purchase it for yourself, or you can list the property. You can take the property and list it on the multiple listing service. Whatever your goal is to grow your real estate business, I'm going to show you my proven system on how to do that. Real estate agents, let me teach you how to get more listings through for sale by owners, good old FSBOs, right? I want to show you my proven system on how you can take your real estate business to the next level. Now, the tuition is $499, but I have some great vendors who have made an investment for you that reduces the tuition to only $299. With that being said, for a limited time only, just for a limited amount of seats, you can use the code LISTING at checkout. And when you use the code LISTING, you can now have that $299 reduced to only $27. This is for a limited time only while seats last. This is a live workshop. Join me for my upcoming live listing workshop. To find out more, go to listingworkshop.lutherragsdale.com. That's listingworkshop.lutherragsdale.com. I look forward to seeing you at my upcoming workshop. Take action and reserve your seat today. Thank you, and may God bless you.